Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Every minute you spend in planning saves 10 minutes in execution. Children, everything you do in your life, first plan it properly. Without pre planning, nothing can be done well. Today we are going to learn the new lesson, The Friendly Mongoose. This is a story from the Panchatantra. The Tales from Panchatantra. Let us see what is Panchatantra actually means. The Panchatantra is an ancient Indian interrelated collection of animal fables in verse and prose in a framed story format. The original Sanskrit work, which some scholars believe was composed in the 3rd century BCE, is attributed to Vishnu Sharma. It is based on older oral traditions, including animal fables that are as old as we are able to imagine. It is certainly the most frequently translated literary product of India, and these stories are among the most widely known in the world. So, this is a tale from Panchatantra, and this is originally in Sanskrit. Okay, Sanskrit is a kind of language, just like Tamil, English we have. No, Sanskrit is the oldest language of India. So this is being translated to different languages in India, and it is an animal fable. It means the stories are related to animals, and through these animals and human beings, a moral is being given, for the children. And this is mostly in a format of a story, okay, like a prose. And this is very widely known in all throughout the world. Okay, so this was about Panchatantra. Now let us move to the story. The Friendly Mongoose. Once a farmer and his wife lived in a village with their small son. They loved him very much. We must have a pet, the farmer said to his wife one day. When our son grows up, he will need a companion. This pet would be our son's companion. His wife also liked this idea. Okay, here the farmer and his wife was living with his son in a village, and the farmer thought that his son, when he grows up, he need a companion. Companion means partner or a friend. Okay, someone who will give company. Okay, like a friend. So he wanted a companion for his son. When he grows up, he will be alone. Okay, so he gives this idea to the wife, and wife also readily agreed with the farmer. One evening, the farmer brought with him a tiny mongoose. It's a baby mongoose, said his wife, but will soon be fully grown. He will be a friend to our son. Both the baby and the mongoose grew. In 5 or 6 months, the mongoose had grown to its full size, a lovely animal with 2 shining black eyes and a bushy tail. The farmer's son was still a baby in the cradle, sleeping and crying alternately. So here what happened after having an idea about getting a companion, this farmer one day bought a tiny mongoose to their house. The wife saw the mongoose, it's just a baby. So they were happy with the new friend coming inside the family. So now this mongoose will be a friend to their son, they said. Both the baby and the mongoose grew. So slowly they were growing. So within 5 to 6 months, what happens? This mongoose has grown very well to about his full size. Okay, the animals generally they grew little very fast. So now this mongoose also has grown very fast, and it's got come to his full size now. Now it had a very beautiful 2 black eyes and bushy tail. Bushy tail means very furry tail. Okay, the tail is very lot of fur in it. the farmer was still a bear. The farmer's son was still a baby. So the son was still very small, the human beings. It was just 4 5 months old, so it was very small, and he was still in the cradle, and he was sleeping there and crying alternatively. Alternatively means one after the other. Either he'll be sleeping or he will be crying. So any of these things he used to do. One day the farmer's wife wanted to go to the market. She fed the baby and rocked him to sleep in his cradle. She picked the basket and told her husband to keep an eye on baby, as she did not want to leave the baby alone with the mongoose. I am off to bazaar. The baby is sleeping. Keep an eye on him. Frankly, I don't like to leave the child alone with the mongoose. So here what happened, one day the wife, she wanted to go to the market. So she made the baby sleep in the cradle, and then she took a basket and she went out. Before she left the house, she told the husband to take care of the baby, as she did not want to leave the baby alone with the mongoose. So she instructed the husband to take care of the baby and not to leave him alone with the mongoose. The wife went away, and the farmer, having nothing to do at home, decided to go out and have a look at his farms. He ran into his friends on the way back and didn't return for quite some time. So here what happened? The wife, she went away, okay, and the farmer, he was sitting there and taking care of the baby. After some time he decided, okay, the baby is sleeping, why should I sit here for a long time? So let us go into the farms and just have a look. So he just walked away to the farms. As he went to the farms, he goes to meet all his friends on the way. So he goes and he never turns up after that. The farmer's wife finished shopping and came back home with a basket full of groceries. She saw the mongoose sitting outside as if waiting for her. On seeing her, he ran to welcome her as was customary. Blood, she cried. The face and paws of the mongoose were smeared with blood. You wicked animal, you have killed my baby. So here what happened, after some time the farmer's wife, she came back home from shopping and she got basket full of groceries. So groceries means food or the household things like vegetables or the whatever necessary for the kitchen, vegetables, fruits or the other things, so she brought the groceries and she came back home. So as soon as she was entering the house, the mongoose came running to her, okay, as if it was waiting for her. So here it says customary, customary means according to usual practices. So according to the usual practices of the Indian tradition, whenever any visitor is coming home, you just go and welcome them, okay. So welcoming the visitors is a customary, okay, it's called as customary, something we do in a practice regular basis. So here this mongoose also ran to welcome the farmer's wife. When she saw the mongoose, his face and his paws were smeared with blood. Smeared means coat or marked with. So fully it was covered with blood, okay, the face and the body. So as soon as she saw, she was very upset. So she started shouting at the animal, you wicked animal, you have killed my baby. So without even thinking anything, she thought that the mongoose had killed the baby. So with great anger, she screamed hysterically. She was blind with rage and with all her strength brought down the heavy basket full of groceries on the blood-smeared mongoose and ran inside to see her child's cradle. So she was very angry now, looking at the mongoose. So she started, wicked animal. So what do you mean by wicked? Wicked means evil, very bad. So she shouted and screamed hysterically. Hysterically means with wildly uncontrolled emotions. So hysterically means with uncontrollably she was shouting, very bad state. She was shouting at the with great anger at the mongoose. And now very blindly, without even thinking, she thought that the mongoose has killed the baby. She was very angry and with rage. Rage means violent, uncontrollable anger. So with very bad anger, she just hit the mongoose with a heavy basket full of groceries. So she just put all the groceries on the mongoose. And then she runs inside the house to see the baby. The baby was fast asleep, but in the floor lay a black snake, torn and bleeding. In a flash, she realized what has happened. She ran out looking for the mongoose. Oh, you saved my child. You killed the snake. What have I done? She cried, touching the mongoose, who lay dead and still, unaware of her sobbing. The farmer's wife, who had acted hastily and rashly, shared long at the death of mongoose. Then she heard the baby crying. Wiping her tears, she went in to feed him. So here what happens, as soon as she entered the house, she saw that the baby was sleeping, and she saw a black snake torn and bleeding on the floor. In a flash she realized. So in a flash means within a second or within no time. So very quickly she realized what has happened actually. There was a snake who came to bite the child, and this mongoose killed the snake and saved the life of the baby. And he was waiting outside to show this to the farmer's wife. But as soon as the farmer's wife came and she saw the blood, she killed the mongoose. So without even thinking, she took her decision. So here she is now realized that the mongoose had actually not killed the baby, but he has saved the life of the baby. So after realizing this, she runs out of the house and hastily she was sobbing, and sobbing means crying very noisily, making noise and crying, sobbing. And hastily means in a hurry. So she hurriedly she goes out of the house and she is looking at the dead mongoose. The mongoose was lying dead over there, and she was staring at look continuously. So continuously she was staring, looking at the mongoose. Now after some time the baby started crying. She just wiping her tears, she went to feed the baby. So wiping means cleaning. So cleaning the tears, cleaning her face, she goes back to her daily work. So what do you think is the moral of the story, children? So here what did the woman do? She was very haste, very quickly she came to a decision, very wrong decision. So the moral of the story is never take decisions in a haste. Haste means quickly, very fast. So very quickly we must not conclude or anything, come to a conclusion that this must have happened or that must would have happened. We must not think like that. We must look into the matter in a deep way before getting into any conclusion. Okay, children. So I hope you understood this lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.